Hi guys, it's Michaela Rose. Welcome back to my channel. I am an astrologer, celestial priestess, and owner of Gift from Neptune. And today we're going to be talking about the difference between a spell and a ritual. So, a lot of times people use these interchangeably, and they're not necessarily the same thing. And so when we're thinking about spell work is the intention being set. This can be you lighting a candle. This can be you scripting. This can be you saying a prayer, or this can be you just simply thinking, I want this thing. Boom, the spell has been casted, right? That intention has been set forth. Things start to move in accordance with that intention. The spell work is the first initial burst of energy. Now, when it comes to a ritual is something that you do to continue to power the work. You know how in the spiritual community we'll say you need to feed the spell. You need to feed the spirit that you're creating. Okay, so when you light this candle for success, right? You've created this entity of success. You've created this spirit of success. You've created this timeline of success. And so everything that you do from then on needs to be you continuously feeding this spirit of success that you've created. And so the ritual could be you doing something in accordance with that spell. So let's say you did a spell for money. You want to attract more money. Okay, boom. The candle is lit. The flame is lit, whether that be internally or externally. The intention is set. The ritual would be, okay, let me study how to increase my income. Let me budget. Let me figure out different ways to monetize my skills. Let me work on my business. Let me go out and meet people in wealthy areas. Let me go drive around wealthy areas. Let me go build my network. Let me post on social media. These are very mundane actions that align with the spell work, the intention that you set. A ritual can also be something that you do to set up your spell, right? And so the ritual for me, right, when I'm setting up a spell, first of all, this is something that gets you in alignment with the intention that it is that you're setting. So for me, it would be, I'm going to shower, I'm going to cleanse myself, I'm going to cleanse my environment, I'm going to dress in corresponding colors. Usually it's all white, just to have like that really pure energy. And then I'm going to pray or meditate, and I may light just a white candle just to call in those spirits. Okay, right? That's the ritual. That's the ritual that I'm setting, that I'm doing every time that I'm about to conduct some kind of spiritual consultation, spiritual work, even readings. Like, I have a particular ritual that it tells your mind, I'm getting ready to do this, right? And rituals doesn't always mean something magical. It could be like you getting ready for work and setting an intention for your day. That's a ritual. You getting a cup of coffee, getting dressed, getting a cup of coffee, sitting down at your laptop is a daily ritual. And so that's very important for like the people who work for themselves, you entrepreneurs, or even just people who want to stay on a routine. You're creating a ritual to feed this particular intention, this particular task. And so it's very important for you to say, to do things that get your mind in that mind state, because when your mind is preparing, when your mind gets comfortable preparing for this thing, and you kind of start to do it on autopilot, your mind already knows, okay, we're about to do XYZ, right? And so the ritual is what helps empower the spell, because then your mind is already in that state of, okay, I'm about to amplify this intention. And so I want you guys to keep that in mind. A ritual can also be you doing something repetitively. So the difference between a spell and a ritual is, a spell is something you cast one time. A ritual is something that you do on a consistent basis. So if every month you blow cinnamon in your home, that's a ritual. If every Thursday you're lighting a candle for money, that is a ritual. If every Friday you're lighting a candle for love, or doing some self-love work, that is a ritual. If every day you douse yourself in intention oils to start your day, to set the intention for the day, that is a ritual. Like I said, rituals are things that you do on a regular basis. They become a part of your routine, and they get your mind in preparation to complete a specific task or a specific intention. And I really just wanted to do this video to make this clear, because even like, for example, when I did my love video, y'all were like, what was the spell you casted? The spell I casted was a pink candle with some herbs that I blended specifically for this intention. I casted that spell. Boom, there's my intention. I want to attract a new relationship. But the ritual for me was putting my splurge oil on every Friday whenever I feel good. Like playing my playlist, putting on the oil, and attracting, saying I'm setting the intention to attract a new relationship. It was also me reading self-help books on healing myself. It's me working on myself. It's me, you know, healing my relationship with men, with myself, with my past, with my traumas. It's me learning more information. It's me interacting with people and doing shadow work. That is a ritual. That's the ritual that is feeding the intention of me wanting a relationship. And so that's pretty much all I have for you guys. I know this is a short video, but I definitely did just want to come on and clarify the difference between a spell and a ritual. So just to summarize once again, a spell is something that you cast one time for a specific intention, and the ritual is what you are doing to then feed that intention. All right, I love you guys. I'll catch you in the next video, and we'll chat soon.